gonna show you guys how to do an like a character so that name you can change to Roblox. It's pretty easy. So you just go to your friends and then you click there, and then you need to find someone that look like Roblox. Like now I'm gonna take my brother's account and name him Kringley. Yeah, like that guy. And then you just click and inspect, and then you see his name right there, and you double click there and take that away, and just type in Roblox, enter, and then you go to console and save slash, and then that should go there, and voila! I have a friend that names Roblox. It's pretty easy, so say this to your friends and comment down below what I should do next. I'm just gonna find my brother. Casper, change your clothes to Kringley, so I can name you Kringley. Inspect. Swambo Kringley, and then console save slash. So now his name is Kringley. That's pretty good. And then this. No. Inspect. This name would be pretty nice. Oh! No. Then wait.
Alltså det är vissa som är fräckt bra.
Like that. And save slash. So now she's name is I love you because she is my girlfriend. So yeah. Now I'm gonna take a funny name to this guy. Naked weird guy. No. Naked cringe guy. Naked cringe guy. Yeah, just like that. Save slash. So oh my god, this is so funny. This is too funny. I'll just do it like this. I'm just gonna find a guy.
Oh god, no.
Roblox. Okay, now I'm gonna do this to fake. Inspect. I'm sorry, Roblox, if you're seeing this, but I can take it back later, but I'm just doing this for my fans, so don't ban me for this. No. You know what? I'm not gonna do it. I'm risking too much.
Ja,
I'm sorry, Roblox. Don't ban me for that. Hacker.
Som du just, jag kom före, sen kommer du. Nej.
Swedish guy. Swedish. Okay, I forgot about Roblox, cause then we're gonna do it like this. I don't know who I am anymore. slash Rob123 was here.
Jag ska köra 15 forces. Om du vill joina mig så får det.
Save slash. Have you changed clothes to Kringley?
Nope.
Do that!
Why? It's not what to do. Men varför ska jag behöva göra det? Varför måste jag göra det? Såklart så jag berättar ut det.
Have you do it?
Yes.
Nice, you wanna see that now? Okay, look at this.
Vilket lag är du på?
Vet inte.
Kringley. No.
Men hur hann jag inte skjuta honom? Det fint kan det vara möjligt. Nej.
Casper, come and see. Come and see at your character for me. Your name is Kringley. Look. Kringley.
Jättekul. Men det skulle vara bättre om det stod med stort med C.
Yeah.
Vart är du? Det är på taket.
Ja.
Det är mitt team på taket.
Man finns.
Yeah, you just click on inspect and just find the name there and just like tap whatever you want. Guy that have Robux. Say slash.
Jag är på...
It's just that easy. So guy that have Robux. And I think this is enough for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.